today I'm going to show you how to give a text a neon light effect. So for this, what we need to have to take a wallpaper like a wall or so many bricks. You can see I have also taken it from a Google, so you can go and search wall and take a like this similar to this picture a brick. Okay, so then what we need to do, we will go to the adjustment layer and we play with this kinds of thing. So first of all, let's clear the curve. You can see I just want to make it a little bit darker, so let's bring it to a little dark. Okay, so hope it will look right. This is enough. This is too much. This is kind of enough. I think it's okay with it. Okay, I'm gonna put it. Okay, so make it darker so that the walls of the bricks can be show up. And then what we'll do, we will go to the black and white effect, and so that it will remove all of the color of the bricks. So it's kind of good. Okay, so it is just showing nicely. Okay, that's why I'm making it the reds lower. So let's just, okay, not that much. Okay, let's just click it. And then the next part will be coming to the solid color. Make sure it is black. So I have to reduce the opacity from 100 to 50 so that it will get more, lower or darker. Then the next part is go to the gradient. So make sure the foreground color is black and background color is white. And if you can do it, so you have to go to the keyboard and press the D key. So this is how you can change it. Let me show. It just changed it. X key. By pressing X key you can change it. So I am pick it. The foreground color is black. Okay. And then let's just come to the gradient color. And let's change the style linear to radial so that it will give a circle, and choose this one obviously. Okay, and let's click the reverse option, and angle should be 12 or 38. I'm going to choose, and it should be a radius, right? Radius not that way. That would be, I'm like 169 would be okay with that, I guess, or 159. Okay, let's just hit OK. Then the next part is coming to the text. I am just pressing on the keyboard T, and the text has already been selected. So let's just click. Let's just change the color of white. I'll be changing the color next. So let's just make it learn how. Learn. Let's click it, learn, and make it broader. And first of all, I'm gonna say that I have selected the Niagara Inkworld text font, this one. So, and then what we'll do, we'll put it to here. I am putting it a little bit left side because I'm going to put also two words, a hair and hair. That's why. So let's just shift it here. And what we'll do is to change the color obviously. Let's just do it double FFECE. This color. Okay, that should be seen. That's a nice color. Anyways, it should be like this. So how you would like to change it's up to you. Okay, let's just hit OK. Then what will you do, let's just double click here, and let's just come for the Bevel and Emboss. Let's just play with it. size should be like kind of 7 or 10 inch. I'm gonna choose 7 inch, and I'm gonna make it soften a little bit, and depth should be a little, not that much. Hope so, it's okay. So let's come to the shading option. It will be default, and 30 angle and altitude, it's okay, and multitude definitely gonna be 0. I don't need any shadow here. And the screen highlight mode, obviously the color should be white, and make it opposite the 100. And the light should be a little bit lower, soften, less soften, depth. Okay, done. So you can see by using bevel and emboss, you can have the glazing part of any text. So let's go to the drop shadow, and let's play also with these kinds of things. Spread a little size. The size should not be that much. Like spread a little bit, and the size would be a little. Hit OK with it. Then what we are going to do? Let's just create a copy of this layer. Ctrl Z. I have already made a copy. So before going further or a more step, I have to click the right button here, and we have to remove the clear layer style so that it can back to the normal motion without any effects, bevel, drop, shadow, etc. So what I'm going to do, the upper layer, I'm going to hit a selection option and go to the filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. First, oops, why it's not happening, you must have to know. So you have to make it you have to convert it to the smart object so that the Gaussian blur can OK or make it work. Let's click the Gaussian blur. So let's just bring it. Let's just see. You can see. Can you see the light? Yes, I can see. So I guess 45 is, or 65 would be okay with that, right? Or maybe 62, or maybe 59. Then I'm going to hit OK. I can it's enough. Done. Okay, and then what we are going to do, it just kind of, well, you can see I can move it well. Then you have to put another text for making it. Like I am going to put 3 words, obviously. That's what I said from the beginning of the tutorial. Okay, let's just go to the and write learn how to. These are another 2 words. So I'm gonna select it kind of this effect will be okay, right? A more reddish, I guess. Kind of okay. Isn't it looking nice? What are you talking about? I guess it does. It's nice. It's nice, I guess, right? So what I'm going to do is just going to click. Well, I definitely want to change the font size, obviously. Well, that would be okay, right? What are you saying? No, that's not okay. I don't like it. That would be okay, right? Okay, that would be okay. No, that's not. I'm going to go to the neon effect again. Okay, fine. It's nice. It's looking nice, obviously, I guess. So the text is different, should be. If you think there's a more gap, so what we, okay, let it be. So bring it, it's kind of good, so let's just click it. And bevel, obviously I just have to change some kinds of things like you were able to do. And soften, make it soften, and make it multiply 0, and what should be here. Okay, done. Then go to the drop shadow. Obviously you just have to play a little bit more. Okay with it. Then come to the outer glow. You just have to spread the glow as light as you can. Not that much, obviously not that much. That'll be okay, right? Okay, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit okay. Okay, it's looking nice. And like the same way, what will we do, let's create a layer of copy of this, and let's clear the layer style and make it the converted to smart object, and then go to the filter, go to the Gaussian blur and make it more. That's kind of okay with it, I think. Is it much or less? I just have to wait and check. I think 100 is okay, right? Okay, 100 is okay. So you just have to put it. It's nice. So I'm going to put all of the thing in the middle part, right? Okay with it. So, and the part, what we can do is to take another layer. So where we will make the full text more brighter, like a screen light is coming from the light. That is how. So for this, we'll be needing a brush. Obviously I have taken a brush, you can see, and make it larger by using the keyboard of the first bracket. And let's just going to click here. So why I am clicking the black part, obviously I should be choosing the white part. Obviously this is a light pink, and let's just click, dab a little bit. And another thing, you have to come and just choose there, dab. That's it. That will be okay, right? But it's too much, right? Then what will we go to changing the blending mode to normal to screen, obviously. And what we will make our opacity 0, a little bit lower, so that it should be not more. So you can see it's gaining. So a little bit of 45 would be okay, right? Okay. So if you think it's too much, though, then you can make a mask of it, and then you can take the brush and make it less by changing the foreground from white to black. If you click, you can see it's getting lesser. I don't want it to make it, okay? So this is how you can make a neon light effect by using Photoshop. Thanks for watching.